Now we try to understand how the problems of depreciation chapter to be solved. Here I will discuss a small technique of solving problems on depreciation. See, generally I have already told you we discuss commonly used methods here: straight line method or double diminishing balance method or WDV method. Now look at here. After reading the problem or while reading the problem itself, you have to try to make a note of these points roughly. Very, very important, students. Observe carefully. Look at, I am taking here reference of problem number 1. I am taking reference for problem number 1. Read problem number 1. See, Jain Brothers acquired a machine on 1st July 2021 at a cost of 14 lakh and spent 1 lakh on its installation. Fine. The firm writes off depreciation at 10% per annum of the original cost every year. The books are closed on 31st December every year. Fine. This is the information we have. Required, show the machinery account and depreciation account for the years 2021 and 22. 2 years now? Yes. From this information, what are the various points we have to note? Observe here. First and foremost point is identify what is the method of depreciation. In this problem, SLM. In the remaining problems, it may be WDV or any other problem, other method. Second, what is the rate of depreciation? 10%. In this problem, 10%. Remaining next problems are examination problem, whatever it may be. Next, books closing date. On which date we are going to close the books of accounts? Why? Because generally they will ask machinery account for at least 2 years or 3 years. In some problems they may ask for 1 year. At least you should know on which date we are closing the books of accounts. So books closing date also very important. Next, for how many years account is prepared? It may be machinery account. Most of the cases they give you machinery account or plant account or any asset account or motor truck account. For how many years we are going to prepare this account? 2021 to 2022. This is the basic information. For how many years you have to prepare the account? 2 years. Now what we have to do is year wise collect the information. Year wise 2021. First we have to start the machinery account for the year 2021. Okay. First 2021, either the machinery account started with the opening balance or we start the machinery account with purchase of asset. Some problems they give you opening balance directly. On so and so date, the machinery account is showing this much of balance. In that case, you have to start your account with the opening balance. But in this problem, we have purchased asset on 1/7/2021, and here dates also plays an important role. Look at first what happened. Machinery purchased for 15 lakh. You may ask, sir, 15 lakh how, sir? 14 lakh is the cost plus 1 lakh spent on its installation. Total 15 lakh. 14 plus 1 lakh, 15 lakh. Date also write down. During 2021, what happened? Also write. At the end of the year, 31st December, provide depreciation. During the year, no additional purchase of asset. During the year, already here I have discussed. During the year, what are the entries? At the end of the year, what are the entries? In our problem, during the year, we have purchased machinery. Over. Now go to at the end of the year. What is the closing date of books of accounts? 31st December. Calculate depreciation. Calculate depreciation. In the year of purchase, we have to be very careful. In the year of purchase, we have to be very careful for calculation of depreciation. Why? Because here the asset is purchased on 1/7/2021, but books of accounts are closed on 31st December. In the year of purchase, we calculate depreciation from the date of purchase to the date of closing the books of accounts. From 1/7/2021 to 31st December 2021, how many months? 6 months. For the first year, we calculate depreciation for 6 months and we record the entry. Hope you are following. Yes, sir. Next. After recording entry for depreciation, what is the next step? Balance the account. Here they have asked to prepare two accounts. One, Machinery account, 2 depreciation account. Machinery account is balanced, depreciation account closed. Why? Because depreciation is transferred to the P&L account. Yes. So 2021, these are the steps we have to follow. Now go to 2022. 2 years they have asked, na? 2022. 2022 year, the machinery account starts with the opening balance. Write down the opening balance, two balance brought down. Again, check during 2022 what happened. There may be two possibilities. One, purchase of asset. Two, sale of asset. During 2022, there may be two things happen. Only two possibilities. One, purchase of new asset or sale of existing asset. But in this problem, nothing is happened. So straight away go to at the end of the year. In this problem, no new purchase of asset, no sale of old asset. Straight away go to at the end of the year. What is the end of the year? 31st December. On 31st December, what we have to do? We have to calculate depreciation. From second year onwards, we charge depreciation for full year. We charge depreciation for full year. Why? Because we have asset from the beginning of the year. But in the first year, we have asset only from 1/7/2021. Is it clear? Okay, sir. Depreciation calculated and entry also recorded. Now, at the end of the year 2022, at the end of 2022, balance the account. Here, two accounts we have to prepare. One, machinery account. Second, depreciation account. Machinery account is balanced. Depreciation account is closed. Our problem also completed. So, within 1 minute, if you can write this information in short form, no confusions, no confusions. However the problem it is, whatever the problem it is on depreciation, you make information like this or you write the information like this, you will not miss even a single transaction. Okay, I will show you for one more problem also. Illustration 7 I will show you. Look at illustration 7. Here you will get complete information. Illustration 7, look at. This is just for understanding the sequence or flow of solving the problem. Read illustration 7. A firm purchased on 1st January 2020, 1st January 2020, certain machinery for 5,82,000 and spent 18,000 on its erection. 5,82 plus 18, 5 lakh 90, sorry, 5 lakh, sorry, 6 lakhs rupees. On 1st July 2020, another machinery for 2 lakhs was acquired. Yes, okay. On 1st July 2021, the machinery purchased on 1st January 2020 having become obsolete was auctioned for 3,86,000. On the same date, fresh machinery was purchased at a cost of 4 lakhs. Fine. Depreciation was provided annually on 31st December at the rate of 10% per annum on written down value. Prepare machinery account. Sir, I understood. Last three lines, sir. Last three lines I understood, sir. But above 4 lines, I am unable to understand, sir. Something I can understand, but what is this? Most of the students, they will get confused. They start getting confusion from now onwards. First 4 lines. What they are saying? So and so date we purchased one asset. So and so date we sold the asset. On the same date again we purchased the asset. And so and so. What is this? That's why this information you convert into year wise to get the clarity. Okay, now look at how we convert this information into our usable condition. Look at first, what is the first step? Method, WDV method. Rate of depreciation 10%. Books closing date 31st December every year. For how many years account is prepared? 2020 to 2021, means 2020 21. For 2 years account is prepared. For 2 years account is prepared. Sir, they did not mention the number of years, na sir. Yes, but look at the asset purchase date 2020. Look at the next year date 2021. 2021. So they are saying 2020, at the same time they are saying 2021, and they said 31st December they are closing the books of accounts. Means 31st December 2020 they will close for 1 year, 31st December 2021 they will close for other second year. Hope you are following. Now observe carefully. 2020 what happened? If you want to start machinery account for 2020, you have two options. One, with opening balance or with a new purchase of asset. In the problem, they did not mention that this account is showing so and so opening balance. No, on 1st January 2020, we purchased asset for 5,82 plus 18,000. Look at on machinery 1. Machinery 1 purchased on 1/1/2020 for 6 lakhs. We record the entry straight away on 1/1/2020. Machinery account debit to cash or bank account. Over. Again, during the year, what happened? Look at the problem. On 1st July 2020, this also comes under same financial year. Yes, sir. Another machinery purchased for 2 lakhs. So, on machinery 2, this is machinery 2 students. Machinery 2 purchased on 1/7/2020 for 2 lakhs. Okay. Next, what happened during the same year? Nothing happened. After 1st July 2020, straight away they jump to 1st July 2021, means next financial year. But now first we have to complete 2020, go to at the end of the year, calculate depreciation at the end of the year for machinery 1 and machinery 2 by following WDV method. When you have more than one machinery, it is always suggestible to prepare separate working note for calculation of depreciation like this. Not like this, just a minute. This is illustration 7 now. Yes, illustration 7 working note. Like this, machinery 1, machinery 2, machinery 3. Hope you are following. Next. Next, what happened? At the end of the year, balance the account. Here we are preparing only machinery account so that this is balanced, not closed. So 2020 completed. Go to 2021. 2021 starts with opening balance. Now, whatever the closing balance we have on 31st December 2020, that becomes the opening balance. Right, sir. Now check what happened in 2021. So 2021, on 1st July 2021, machinery purchased on 1st January 2020, we sold, sir. Means, to put it simple, machinery 1 is sold on 1/7/2021 for 3,86,000. This is one transaction. Whenever we sell machine, I repeat, whenever we sell machine, we need to account for three things. One, first calculate depreciation. Calculate depreciation on machinery sold till from 1/1/2021 to 1/7/2021. Because 1/1/2021 is the book's opening date. 1/7/2021 is the asset sold date. That means in the year of 2021, we have used the asset for 6 months. Calculate depreciation for 6 months. One transaction. Second, we sold the asset for 3,86,000. Record the entry for this. Third, we have sold the asset. Now, whenever we sell asset, calculate profit or loss on sale of asset. This is unavoidable. Whenever we sell asset, calculate profit or loss on sale of asset. Calculate profit or loss on sale of asset. This is another. So don't forget, whenever you sell asset, don't forget to record these three transactions. Yes, sir. This is completed, sir. Next, machinery 3. On the same date, what happened? Tell me. And on the same date, fresh machinery was purchased at a cost of 4 lakhs. Yes, sir. This is one more transaction. Yes, machinery 3 is purchased on 1/7/2021 for 4 lakhs. Record the entry. So during the year, one asset sold, one asset purchased. Next, what happened? Go to at the end of the year. Go to at the end of the year. End of the year. Calculate depreciation. Actually, we have three machines now. Machine 1, 2, 3. Machine 1 is sold. How many machines left? 2 and 3. Calculate 2 and 3. Depreciation from this working note. Here you can calculate. Okay. Next. At the end of the year, balance the account. Here machinery account is prepared now. Just to balance the account. Over. Like this, you can solve any type of problem. Any type of problem. First, basic information, 4 things. What is the method of depreciation, rate of depreciation, book's closing date, and for how many years account is prepared. Next, if it is for 1 year, you write the information for 1 year only. You write the information like this. Believe me, students, you will not miss even one single transaction. Everything goes correctly. Clear? This is our problem solving technique for depreciation chapter. Hope you guys are following. Yes. Now look at, we try to solve the problems.